Hey guys, welcome to my channel LCK. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use linking words of contrast, though, although, even though. In this lesson, I'm going to show you a lots of example, explain secret behind which one to use and when, so make sure to watch the full video. Although, even though, and though are all used to link two contrasting ideas, so show that one fact makes the other fact surprising. They can all be used at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence. The main difference between although, even though, in spite of, and despite is that they are used with different structures. After in spite of and despite, we use a noun, pronoun, or ing form of verb. After although and even though, we use a subject and a verb. Although, we use although in formal situation. When you want to sound very smart or professional, use although. Number 1. I enjoyed the course, although I would have liked more grammar practice. Number 2. Although we saw each other every day, we didn't really know each other. Though. Though in the beginning of sentence does not sound proper for everyday conversation. Number 1. Though I wasn't keen on the film, I thought the music was beautiful. Though is little but less formal, but is still not really used in everyday conversation, except when we use it at the end of the sentence. This way of expressing contrasting ideas is most common in spoken English. Number 1. We waited ages for our food. The waiter was really nice though. Number 2. I still find English hard to understand. I can understand more than last year though. We use though at the end of the sentence a lot in casual or informal situation, often in speaking. Even though. Even though is used in both formal and informal situation in conversational English. So even though definitely is the most popular of the three. Number 1. Even though she spoke very quietly, he understood every word. Number 2. She didn't get the job even though she had all the necessary qualifications. So guys, this is it for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure that you're subscribed here to I'll See You on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.